Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is John with J.Racenstein. Very often we get calls from people just starting out soft washing roofs, and they're having some troubles in estimating the square footage so they can calculate their costs and how much they should charge. So there's a lot of online calculators out there, but one thing that they can't calculate for you is the roof pitch. So I'm going to give you a quick way to determine what the roof pitch is, so you can plug that information into many of the online calculators so you can get accurate square footage of the roof, or squares, as it's called in roofing terminology. So the first thing that you're probably going to need, so if you don't want to get on a ladder, is a digital tape measure. What it does, you just point the laser at a particular spot and it'll show you what the distance is. So once you obtain one of these, about $40 on Amazon, you're going to have to shoot it in two different spots. Here on the roof at the bottom soffit. Typically you want to do it on the eave because it gives you a little more meat to shoot at. And here at the peak. What you do then is subtract those two numbers, and that is your rise. That's how far the roof rises up off the frame of the house. The second part of the calculation you need is the run. The run is from the center line here to the end of the roof. There's a simple formula. You can see it here on our board. By dividing the rise in inches by the run in feet, you'll come up with the roof pitch. With that roof pitch, you can type that into many of the numerous calculators that are out there to give you the accurate square footage, or how many squares the roof is. Essentially, it's this square footage and this square footage added together, which would be different than you would get from the perimeter of the home. So that little formula hopefully will help you out in getting the correct amount of squares you need to calculate your soft wash roof project. Thanks for watching.